They are starting their lives from scratch. Now we are reaching 500,000 returnees to Syria. They are really in need to our support. The houses are really damaged by the war, by 14 years of crisis and war. We are trying to focus on shelter repair, on providing livelihood programs and support them with legal services. It's really a huge need now to try to reintegrate these returnees with their communities. I see a bright future for Syria. Even when you are meeting or interviewing the returnees, you see the hope even in their eyes that they want to rebuild not only their houses, no, they want to rebuild the whole country. Of course, the main and the basic challenge is the shortage of the fund. It's really time to invest, to try to support these people to build a life again.